In today's breaking news, XRP is once more neck and neck with the world's largest stablecoin USDT Tether, flipping it once again not too long ago, which made XRP the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. In my belief, the time when XRP flipped Tether indefinitely is almost upon us, and with regulatory frameworks incoming, stablecoin use cases will rocket as well. As his 2025 Wealth Outlook report from Citibank confirms, stablecoins could make dollars more accessible to the world and reinforce the US currency's long-standing global dominance, which is a very, very big deal. But more importantly, right now, there is a growing unholy demand for Rlusd. As we can see, Rlusd recently flipped both PayPal and Euro stablecoin in 24-hour volume combined, which is huge news considering Rlusd has only been released for a little over 2 weeks, officially launching on the 17th of December 2024. This is bullish beyond all belief, and better still, this was just the beginning. It is still just the beginning as Rlusd continued with a bullish momentum and skyrocketed up to over 600 million 24-hour trading volume, which means in just 2 weeks, Rlusd has become the fourth largest stablecoin in regards to volume. Yes, this is a drop in the water. We're comparing 600 million 24-hour trading volume to USDT Tether's 74 billion. But with this significant and rapid level of adoption, when many exchanges still haven't listed Rlusd just yet, this to me is a testament of what is incoming. Rlusd soon flipping FDUSD, then USDC, and then potentially soon USDT Tether. To give you an understanding of the sort of adoption and support I believe Ripple and XRP and the Rlusd has, former New York Stock Exchange President Don Farley here is now CEO of Bullish, the crypto exchange which was one of the early adopters of Rlusd and actually right now has the largest volume on that exchange with Rlusd. So I believe it's safe to say, and in this case agree with XRP Drops and Mikkel here, that the switch has most definitely been flipped, as out of nowhere Rlusd's volume skyrocketed over 2000%. The level of adoption with crypto, with Ripple, with XRP, the Rlusd and the XRP ledger is so early, and its demand is about to go parabolic, and XRP's price so much higher, as the developments will make Ripple become like a central bank in the very near future, with the majority of the volume flowing to the XRP ledger with Rlusd and XRP. Ripple, in fact, as we can see here, is already categorized as a digital neobank. A digital neobank does not need a full banking license or charter to qualify for the list of digital banks. The types of digital banking providers are highlighted in this list: digital banking, payments, lending, investments, PFM tools, and financial education. Well, as we can see here, payments being in the green and lending being in the pink, these are the two categories that have been given to Ripple. So as documented, Ripple is a neobank, which is huge news, and the reason why I stated and believe, not financial advice of course, that Ripple can become like a central bank in the near future is showcased in these articles here. The keyword here being network effects in conjunction to Ripple. Ripple's blockchain strategy states that they provide a sharp contrast to FedNow, but more importantly, as XRP's use case grows, network effects could persuade clients to use the Ripple network over the Swift network, further growing Ripple's business by expanding XRP's use as a medium of exchange in cross-border payments. We can even see here the vision of Ripple's app network to easily partner with other businesses leveraging network effects to be a central hub, a central financial hub for the likes of Swift, automatic clearing houses, PayPal, Alipay, and so on. This is why I believe XRP and crypto for that matter is about to go so much higher. And this is why I created my own community, a Discord server where over 550 of us are now working toward building our knowledge of XRP and crypto as a whole. The executives here though, they are even more locked in, learning so much more like how to actively make money through trading and other means. We have multiple wins already. Yesterday we saw a quick 450% gain, and some have even been as big as 2,400%, and we are just getting started. Links to join will be in the description below. Come to the family before it's too late, as the market, in my belief, is about to explode and go absolutely crazy. And we can see proof of that here in this video from Cyprus. Right here, this is the sort of information the mainstream media won't show you, that a representative of PwC, one of the big four largest accounting firms in the world, confirming that crypto will change the fabric of financial services, and it is already coming. Take a very close listen.
How would you describe the sentiment that you're seeing, whether in your client base that's maybe considering, adopting a digital asset product, or even internally within your own firm? You mentioned, traditionally it's been one or two people leading the digital asset effort. Has that changed at all?
Yeah, there's no shortage of excitement. I think people are excited to finally be able to bring to life what they've been working on for years. It's been a lot of behind the scenes work, and now people are finally allowed to be public about some of this stuff. And that's even happening at the large financial institutions, or it's especially happening at the large financial institutions. When you look at the news that's happened just this past week, right, or just this past year, it's really hard to follow all the news because there's so much happening. Yesterday or the day before, a private credit fund was launched on Solana by a large financial institution. Ether ETFs finally went live after much discussion yesterday. Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year, Bitcoin was up 85%. I don't know the exact percent today, but like all of these things are happening. It's impossible to keep up with all the news that's now becoming public. This has been happening for years upon years. So there's a buildup, and even a large bank like Citi, and I can say this because of some of the things that this has become public, and we're allowed to talk about this now. We worked with them on a use case around payments, where they can facilitate cross-border payments internally at Citi for their clients and move money at a much faster, cheaper rate than previously done. When I say things take time, that took multiple months, over half a year to get that approved to move it forward. So there's a lot there that you'll see come to fruition over the next 9 months, and I think I'm excited. I know they're excited. I think just everyone is excited, right? There's retail investors are excited as well. But I'm not saying it's all going to happen overnight. But it's coming. So and it really will change the fabric of financial services.
This, to me, is groundbreaking information, and considering the sources I've already showed you, with Usd adoption growing more and more, Ripple being a neobank, and to potentially become a sort of financial hub, a central bank to replace SWIFT in the future with XRP, you can technically make a connection that it will be XRP that will change the fabric of the financial services to be the central hub for financial services in the future. Make no mistake though, crypto adoption, mass adoption is coming, and in fact, Coinbase Exchange recently obtained and unveiled a massive discovery with banks and crypto and their stifling adoption. The unredacted FDIC documents here revealed a coordinated attempt from government regulators, so therefore Biden's administration, to restrict crypto-related activities under Operation Choke Point 2.0. They told banks to stop trading and custodying of crypto, to stop Bitcoin-backed loans, to stop Bitcoin cash-backed rewards, to stop Bitcoin-linked payment cards, and so on. And the worst part here, is highlighted in this post here from Fox Business journalist Elena Terrett, is that some of these letters were written over 2 to 3 years ago, and we've seen little to no movement since on banks actually being now able to custody or offer products related to digital assets. They have completely ignored it. They stonewalled banks, which is beyond shameless in my belief, and exactly why we should all be excited at the high likelihood that this will come to an end, all of it, in roughly 2 weeks' time when Trump is inaugurated and crypto goes so much higher, with regulatory frameworks coming in very, very soon. So buckle up, do your own research, come chill, chat and learn more in the Discord server. Again, links below, and I'll see you in the next one.